Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Superstitious, be like. Being superstitious means believing that certain objects or traditions might bring good luck or bad luck. Some people take them seriously while others enjoy them for fun or family tradition. One, lucky socks, don't fail me. Reason, some people believe lucky items bring confidence. Two, I'm making a wish. Reason, wishing can be a fun tradition. 3. Found a lucky coin. Reason, small discoveries can feel special. 4. Crossing my fingers. Reason, it's a playful way to hope for goodness. 5. Today's my lucky day. Reason, a positive mindset can boost confidence. 6. Don't jinx it. Reason, people sometimes avoid celebrating too early. 7. Good luck charm. Come with me. Reason, a favorite keepsake can feel comforting. 8. I have a lucky seat. Reason, familiar routines can make people feel relaxed. 9. One more wish before I blow out the candles. Reason, birthday wishes are fun tradition. 10. Lucky number today. Reason, favorite numbers can feel meaningful. 11. I always wear this hat for big events. Reason, habits can build confidence. 12. Let's hope for the best. Recent optimism helps people stay positive. 13. I have a good feeling. Reason, trusting your instincts can feel encouraging. 14. High five for good luck. Reason, sharing positive energy is fun. 15. I pack my lunch pen. Reason, familiar tools can reduce nervousness. 16. Maybe today is my day. Reason, hope makes challenges feel exciting. 17. One deep breath for good vibes. Reason, staying calm helps you focus. 18. Smile first. Reason, a cheerful attitude can brighten the day. 19. A little luck never hurts. Reason, many people enjoy playful traditions. 20. Let's stay positive. Reason, positive thinking can improve confidence. 21. My lucky playlist is ready. Reason, favorite songs can lift your mood. 22. Game day ritual activated. Reason, fun routines can make events more enjoyable. 23. Good vibes only. Reason, encouraging words help create a positive atmosphere. 24. I always start with my favorite snack. Reason, comfortable routines can feel reassuring. 25. Today's adventure begins. Reason, every day brings new possibilities. 26. Believe in yourself first. Reason, confidence is more powerful than luck. 27. Preparation beats guessing. Reason, practice is the best way to succeed. 28. Luck is nice but effort matters too. Reason, hard work helps turn goals into reality. 29. Celebrate every win. Reason, small successes builds motivation. 30. Make your own luck with kindness and hard work. Reason, positive actions often lead to a positive results. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.